So my friend, there's no need to take pan and bong. No need to take pan and bong and pot and whatnot. Just chant Hare Krishna and find a proper teacher, then you'll experience the real, because the joy and ecstasy of the guru becomes the joy and ecstasy of the disciple. What joy and ecstasy Prabhupada experienced. I was in Los Angeles, I was physically there. I didn't see in a movie. I was there. Prabhupada came in 75, he came in 76, and I happened to be there both times. Stayed for many days. And he's taking darshan of Radhasham Sundar, and he pays, of Rukmini Dwarkadish, and he pays dandavats. I stayed a long time, and I was just, my eyes were on Prabhupada like a chakora bird on the full moon. Chakora, he lives on the chakora, they live on the moonbeams, the Induleka. Induleka means the moonbeams. Moonbeams. Indu means the moon and moon rays. So I was just looking because his guru, his devotees like to see the guru. So I was just watching every movie made and how he got down, and he's old. It was 1975. He was 80 years old then. And he's going like this. Down, he was lying a long time, and then I was watching it, and when he got up, right where his head was and where his eyes were was wet. And I looked at his, because I'm like, I was very, curious. So I looked, and his eyes were all wet, and they were playing this Govinda prayer, and Prabhupada used to go like this. He would fold his hands and move his fingers like this. I don't know if you've ever seen it on a movie, but if you see it live, it's pretty cool. Govindam Adipurusham Tamaham Bhajami Govind. So these type of minute observations I have made, because devotees are usually very observant, because most devotees are philosophers. They're deep thinkers. They're munis. The greatest muni is Narayana Parayana. You know that verse in 6th canto? Gotishvapi Mahamuni, Narayana Parayana. Muktanam api, the 6th canto, Prabhupada quotes all the time, 6th canto. Muktanam api siranam. Gotishvapi Mahamuni. He says, out of millions of munis and millions of liberated souls, Muktanam and millions of siddhas, Narayana Parayana Sadurlava. A Narayana Parayana. Narayana Parayana means a bhakta of Krishna is very rare. So Prabhupada is very, very rare. So his behavior, his movements, his mudras, everything is transcendental and very much anukulya, favorable for the development of bhakti sanskaras and bhakti bhajan. That's why in India they have the principle of darshan. Darshan is two aspects of darshan. Seeing with your eyes and seeing with your mind. Because when you darshan with your eyes, you see the form of the sadhu. And he's radiating his own treasure. Whatever his treasure is, he has or she has, it's radiating. Like your phone is sitting here. Some radiation comes in, it starts jumping. The energy is making it what they call vibrate. So that's some mundane energy, microwave, whatever. What to speak of the prabhav? They use this word, bhakti prabhav. Prabhav is energy. Prabhav means prabha. There's a word in Hindi, prabha. We say shubh prabhat. Good morning. Is that right? Shubh prabhat. Good morning. Prabhat. Krishna says in Gita, Rasoham apsakonteya Prabhasmi Shashi Suryo. Prabhasmi Shashi Suryo. So Krishna says there, he said, Krishna says, I am the Prabha of the Shashi and the Surya. Why is the moon called Shashi in Gita? Seventh chapter of Gita? 8th verse. Very good. 7-8. Rasa, you know the verse, you heard the basic idea. Rasoham Sakonteya Prabhasmi Shashi Surya. Why is the moon called Shashi?